trace off my sleeve, picking up the top notch, 2.5 inches up here and here. This is the top notch on the drab. That is the lower notch on the slopers. Questions so far? Now let me explain to you what's happening here. There's 3 sets of E's inside this raglan sleeve. What you just saw was the first set of E's. In other words, what I'm about to do is I'm going to match this lower notch from the bodice to the upper notch on the drab. And when I did that, I shifted it 1/4 inch. So that's where I added my first 1/4 inch E's. That's what's about to happen. So I'm going to take my front bodice. I'm going to match the notch from the bodice to the notch on the drab. That's my pivot point. And then I'm going to pivot until the armhole touches the cap of the sleeve. If you're wondering why they don't match up, it's because this is a size 6 and I'm using a size 10 here. But as soon as any portion of this armhole touches the cap of the sleeve, you stop pivoting. There is no overlap at all. It touches, then I trace off the front bodice. So here I'm matching notch to notch. That's my pivot point. I put my pencil here, because remember, when you're pivoting, it has to be something sharp. It can't be your finger. And then I'm just going to push my sloper until the armhole touches the cap of the sleeve. As soon as any portion touches, I stop and I trace. Shoulder, neckline, center front, hem, dart leg, side seam, armhole, my true apex, and my side dart. Push this down.